Hi, everyone, and welcome to Planisware's Power Series. We have a packed agenda for you over the next few weeks.
From remote workshop to online trainings, we had several successful go live. We talked about
scorecard, complete on business case, size of the team, what kind of data.
Few very good sessions, and we got to know about the newer versions of Planisware, 6.3 Amy's presentation. That was good. There was a presentation on timeline view. Of course, we got to understand how our peers are using it, what were the best practices that they used. It was great.
Planisware really is the platform for all of our project planning.
How do we use Planisware?
Thank you very much for joining us.
Transport and shipping.
Schedule the Roomba.
We're facilitating the conversation.
Seeing what we're doing.
L3 hacks.
SharePoint folder. Maybe start right like
capital only project.
And we are global.
to reassess new scenarios.
So the one thing that's very special about this year's Planisware Summit is that recordings are made available so that I can rewind things and give it a closer look if something really caught my interest.
Or as an administrator,
Which I referred to.
cost. We have external VIP Planisware with this.
So the prototypes
They're out there.
you completely.
The profits, you know,
why should you invest in
Generality project charter of the color. So it's
Those be, and of course, obviously.
I always like to share this because people might think
Understand it. So you haven't thought of or
Users
that we're working to break down silos from, but challenge. I would definitely attend if they did it the same way next year. For me, it's about interacting with some of the other customers, a lot of familiar faces I'm seeing over Zoom. I'd rather see those people in person, but being able to have the contact while I'm still able to do my job has been pretty rewarding.
I really see us continuing to use and grow with Planisware.